pretty low risk trades that you don't have to watch a whole lot. I'll set these trades up low leverage, and I mean, even if you're trading on a $10,000 account and you're only making 150 to $200 on an 800 or 900 point run. I know that doesn't sound like a lot to you guys, but um, if you want to trade from a successful standpoint professionally, you're going to have to get to a point where you're looking at longer term. All right, we've got about 15 seconds. You can see the market's trying to slowly trickle up. Again, it did give a buy signal, so we should have a long buy move here. But as I said, I'm kind of sitting on the sidelines. Did anyone take this trade just by chance? All right, so we've got a couple of people that took the trade. If you did take the trade, I would definitely lock in profit. It's not the most solid trade, but obviously, pre-release right around 16, about 8 or 10 pips profit so far. So again, lock in at this point. Make sure that you don't let it take anything from you. And once you've locked in, I would probably just let it go and see if you can get a move up to the former highs. But again, just make sure you protect your position. All right, at this point, I'm thinking everyone who did take the trade has probably stopped out with the managed take profit. Pull up the U.S. data here. Let me know if you're still holding this trade or if you got pulled out of it. Took 3 pips. All right, not bad. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I mean, we only had 2 in deviation. I mean, we've seen this thing deviate 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 before, so it's not a substantial deviation by any means. Took 1 pip. Yeah, I didn't move a whole lot. So it looks like we've got a few folks who took some profit on this trade. For some of you who are new, you may be wondering, well, shoot, why didn't I take the trade? Again, my commentary is meant to help protect you, especially some of the newer traders. Once you've been with me for a little while, you'll be able to decide, which trades you're more comfortable with, and you're welcome to obviously trade however you'd like to, and be more aggressive. But I'm definitely always going to be a little on the conservative side, and that's why the majority of the people that do take a loss in our service, not that there are a lot, don't do it under my direct guidance. Occasionally, we'll have a bad trade. I mean, there's no one's perfect, but rarely does it happen.